If you hit the buzzer, you win.
Okay.
Ah.
I gotta try to remember.
Come on, you gotta get the right ones. Just don't push the wrong one. It's probably one of these like hidden back. Dang it!
I don't remember what I've done.
Oh, you're paying attention to which ones you've done?
Yeah.
That's not fair.
You did the same one.
Ah, come on! Oh! Give me that gift card, give me that gift card, give me that gift card.
No.
Are you trying to take my gift card? No, it's mine.
It's not fair.
How much time is that?
Only.
This time, if you ring the buzzer, you lose.
You lose a gift card. Okay,
Ladies
I'm
first.
gonna go first.
Woo! Okay. Trying to be strategic. Come on! Hit it,
Did I do
Jamie!
that one already?
Oh, are you cheating?
I don't know.
Oh! You lost.
Wait, I
My gift card. Boom! Boom!
forgot.
Boom! Boom!